Here are the key features of the carbon steel single pillar mounting system by Goomax Energy. The system has a main body made up of Q235 galvanized mild carbon steel, splice kits and clamps made of anodized 6005 aluminium in T5 temper, and SUS 304 stainless steel, which gives this product high strength and corrosion resistance. The pillars are designed to be driven directly into the soil, which enables higher strength and quicker installation. The adequate adjusting space can solve the problem of possible construction error, meaning they are strong, reliable, and simple to install, without the need for drilling, cutting, or any other operations. Simply adjust and lock to complete the installation. All racks connected north, south, east, west. Each section is bonded together by the north-south connection, and the applicable foundation is steel piling. Every system comes with a full set of components, such as pillars, beams, rails, clamps, and etc., ensuring you receive a turnkey solution for your project. We also offer OEM service and project-specific design to meet local building codes, meaning whatever your requirements, we can deliver. These systems come with 12 years product warranty, and each one of them has passed tension and compression testing. This product is designed in accordance with Australian AS/NZS 1170 and Japanese JISC 8955 2008 standards, and our company is accredited with ISO Quality Management System certification, so quality is highly ensured. Payment terms with these are LC, TT, and Western Union, and all products are typically delivered by sea. Goomax Energy is a highly experienced manufacturer, owning many patents, and our top quality in products and service is well known in the industry. We have set up an international research and development department with highly educated researchers, which include 12 doctors and 18 bachelors. Our own manufacturing factories for aluminium and steel components ensure highest quality and durability of our systems and allow us to offer the most cost-effective solutions to meet your needs. We have also established a strategic partnership with the Department of Physical Sciences of Xiamen University, and we regard it important to introduce in advanced equipments and hire in high-grade professional, highly trained people.